I'm Brian Stack. I am Director of Sales at Ifbyphone. And what I want to accomplish just over the next couple minutes is just give a high-level overview of Ifbyphone and how we're changing voice today. Also dig in a little bit more on the local search and how that's affecting both the digital and mobile space. Ifbyphone, we started in 2007. Since then, we've grown to over 4,000 customers in over 35 industries. So that's working a lot with SMB, medium, and large-size companies and agencies. We're headquartered in Chicago, and our goal is simple. We help customers connect, measure, and optimize inbound and outbound sales. So how do we do that? Ifbyphone offers a full suite of applications and a web-based cloud solution. So whether you choose to use all of our applications or one of them, they're there for you. Three I'd like to hone in on. Number one, within our three core applications, number one being our call tracking solution. And I'll get into a little bit more detail in a second there. But essentially, we're able to give you all the data analytics on calls via voice, mobile, PPC campaigns, SEO campaigns, and feed that data analytics right to you. Second piece is what happens when they pick up the phone. We have a full integrated voice response system, otherwise known as an IVR, that we can route those calls. So whether you have one location or 100 locations, we'll ensure that those calls are routed to the right location or person the first time. And then the third piece is what happens when you actually finish that call up. We offer a full virtual call distributor, and what happened at the end of that call is essentially the data that we're getting. Did that call result in a sale? Did it result in a new appointment? Did it result in a next call? We'll be able to give you all that information in real time using our full suite of applications. So in essence, we work with a lot of marketing and sales professionals to help close that gap between both marketing and sales. A couple statistics here for you. In the mobile world today, 40 million calls are made each month from Google Ads. That number is expected to get to over 60 million by the year 2016. And the reason being is when people are doing searches today on mobile, they're not filling out form applications. They are simply picking up the phone and calling that nearest location to get information, set an appointment, or get a sale. So we're able to track all that information. 65% of mobile searches result in a phone call today. So that number continues to increase as mobile continues to increase. Go back to our first core product really quick. Track phone calls from search. So whether you're running PPC campaigns, SEO campaigns, mobile, social, or even offline advertisements such as a billboard or a print ad, from the online standpoint, we're able to show you not only the domain that they came from, so is that Google being Yahoo, but the keywords that they typed in that generated that call. Marketing team can then take those data analytics and see what's working and what's not working, and based on that, make better educated decisions on where to place their advertisements. Secondly, what happens when they pick up the phone? We have full, like I said, IVR capabilities. We also do have full store locator capabilities. So we work with a lot of franchise locations that have hundreds of locations throughout the country. And our latest technology, which is called geolocation. So it'll actually determine a caller's precise location based on cell phone triangulation. What does that mean? I live in Chicago. I have a 773 area code. I'm in Huntington Beach today, and I'm looking for the nearest Jiffy Lube. When I place that call into Jiffy Lube, it will actually, the cell phone towers will ring, and in essence, it's a GPS system that'll locate where my mobile phone is and direct me to the nearest location in Huntington Beach versus the current technology that would associate my 773 area code and route me to Chicago. So multiple different ways that we can route those calls, ultimately the goal being that we're routing them to the correct person. So in closing, we have all of this data analytics. Where do we put this and how do we use this information? We can integrate with Google Analytics and Universal Analytics and give real-time data We can integrate that with the rest of your marketing campaigns that you're doing with. Additionally, any CRM, Salesforce out of the box is what we have, but we can really integrate with any CRM that you have today. That'll close that loop. So did that call result in a sale? And we'll be able to provide that information in real time. Additionally, we partner with bid management and marketing automation solutions as well.